Welcome to the beautiful Charlotte area. I want to take a moment. I want to go over your inspection report, so stay with me. Okay, so all set. Let's take a look at your report. This is a typical report here. This is where your name and address information would be. Upper right-hand corner is the legend. Each one of these initials pertain to something. A is consistent with the age of the chimney. B, see comments below. C, repairs needed. D, need further evaluation, or E, not applicable. Placed into the boxes next to the parts of the chimney that can be easily identified in this diagram. And then, of course, we would put your comments right here below. All right, let's play the intro and get right into your personal report. So stay with me. Well, it was great to meet you out at the house today. What a beautiful house. Hey, what a great location, too. All right, let's start out by taking a look at the top of the chimney. So everything looks good except for the very top up here. You can see the cracks in the crown. What's significant about that is moisture gets down in the body of the chimney, and when we have freezing temperatures, any trapped moisture will expand and start loosening bricks. Now, bricks aren't loose now, but it's something that definitely needs to be repaired. You'll see in the show notes, Tony over at RGS would be a good person to take care of that for you, and an approximate price. In the firebox area, it's got some soft mortar joints in here that should be filled. This had a gas log set in here. On the outside, it's got a caulk on it that's not fireproof, and so it would be smart that when this is repaired with some refractory cement to go ahead and seal this hole up to keep the ashes out. It has a working damper. Flue system looks consistent with the age of the chimney. If you folks have any questions for me at all, give me a call, 704-526-6348. You can email me at chris@affordablesweep.com. Let's run the credits, shall we?